What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to set up your microphone on OBS Studio to get the most out of your audio equipment. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. First, open up OBS Studio and navigate to your settings. In the Output tab, set the output mode to Advanced, and under Audio, make sure to set the audio bitrate option to at least 128 for the tracks you are using. For my recordings, I prefer to use 160, but if your hardware supports more, then set this option to 192. After applying your changes, go to the Audio tab and make sure to set the sample rate to 48 kHz. This should be the new default rate when using an up-to-date version of OBS, but these two options will for the most of you not change a lot. Set the channels to the audio output setup you're currently using as a default device. In my case, I use headphones most of the time. That's why I will set this option to stereo. Under Devices, make sure to set the desktop audio device to the default device you are using, as well as the mic/auxiliary audio device. Under Meters, set the decay rate to fast and peak meter type to sample peak. The other settings should be left to the default values, and below you have the option to set a hotkey for push to mute, push to talk and more. Don't forget to apply your changes. Close your settings window and in your audio mixer, make sure to navigate to your mic filters. Here you can select to add a new filter in order to improve your audio quality and reduce background noise. Make sure to add a noise gate and noise suppression when experiencing a lot of background noise. When this is done, make sure to close OBS and in your taskbar search enter Sound to open up your sound settings window. On this window, make sure to set the output and input device to your main device. Under Manage Sound Devices, you can select to test or disable your devices. This is essential to troubleshoot any hardware issues. Also, testing your device with another source, such as a video on YouTube, will help you determine where the issue is coming from. In your Advanced Sound settings, you can assign the input and output devices for each application, as well as changing the volume. Under Related Settings, select Sound Control Panel. Here, double-click the recording device, meaning the mic you wish to use, and in the Advanced tab, make sure to set the sample rate option to 48 kHz if this option is available to you. Don't forget to apply your changes. After tweaking your settings, you can close this window and search for Device Manager in your taskbar search and hit Enter. On this window, expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Here, right-click the output sound device you prefer to use, select Update Driver, and make sure to search automatically for updated driver software. This will take a minute to make sure that your device's driver is up to date. In case you still have audio issues, then your hardware might be faulty. Ensure yourself that your input and output device is working fine with other applications on your system. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.